Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the language of YouTube app on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, friends. Also put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. So, let us get started with you. And if for some reason you need the language in the YouTube app to be different from your primary language on your iPhone, you can do that, folks, very easily. You don't need to completely change the language of your iPhone's entire interface to do this. First of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to the very bottom. Find the Apps option, click on it. And now in the list of all the apps, find YouTube. And then click on it. And here at the very bottom you can find the Languages option. Please click on it. Then you can choose absolutely any language, either from some languages that you have added earlier and applied, or you can scroll down and select any of the languages below. There's actually a large number of them here, and I think you'll find a lot to choose from. Then when you find the language you want and you're comfortable with, just click on it and go back out. That way, you'll immediately change the language in the YouTube app. And you can exit the settings, open the app itself. And if you look closely, you will see that now all the settings and all the options of this application are in a different language, while the language, for example, the language of the iPhone itself has not changed. This is the quick and very simple method, friends. You can change the language of YouTube app on any iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful. Please put likes under the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon, friends.